32.9%, nearly a third of all South Africans are officially unemployed. This figure shoots up drastically amongst the youth. Between ages of 15 to 34, we're sitting at over 46%, nearly half of the population do not have jobs and are suffering to find a place in this world. Now, we're not going to be able to solve the full job unemployment issue. However, we can help in a small but significant way, and that's in the interview process. We've created an interview feature as part of JobSpark for South Africans, something that is tailored towards them. And I'm going to show you exactly what this does. First, we're going to want to create an account. After that's done, we're going to be welcomed to the onboarding. Here, you'll find access to an AI CV builder, interview practice, job matching, and career scoring. Let's get started. You want to enter in your personal information. Once that is done, add your job description. Click Next. After that, you're going to want to enter in your education, then your skills, and then you get welcomed to the dashboard. In the CV builder, we'll be able to add an optional job description or just enter the title, and then you'll be able to generate a CV according to a template that you define. Your template comes out and then you can download it as a PDF and send it on to potential jobs if you want. Now onto the AI interview practice feature. So over here, you'll see we can set up your interview practice. There's different practice types: full interview, introduction, experience, strengths and weaknesses, salary negotiation, technical, and role or specific. I'm going to select experience. I wanted to focus on helping me practice my behavioral questions about my work experience. Under the role I'm interviewing for, I'm going to write product owner. And then under the entry level, let's select mid-level. Let's start interview. So there's 5 questions.
Oz, your CV indicates you were a software developer at Oxo Digital. Can you describe a specific project where you had to work closely with a product owner, highlighting a situation where you disagreed with their prioritization decisions? Using the STAR method, explain how you navigated the situation and what the outcome was. How did this experience shape your understanding of the product owner role?
Yeah, that's a good question. I'd probably say that a specific situation that had occurred was with a product owner. I had to reprioritize some of the features that the dev team were working on for one of the 3D experiences that we were busy with. It turned out from user testing that some of the features we thought we needed to build were actually not the core ones, and we needed to reprioritize. In doing so, we of course had to deal with a little bit of conflict along the way, because of course we were changing plans, but through chatting with the dev team and aligning with clients, we were able to get a clearer path on the way forward, and for everyone to understand why these changes were being made through sharing a document and having the various meetings.
Reflecting on your career progression from industrial and systems engineering to software development, and now potentially to a product owner role, what specific skills or experiences from your previous roles do you believe will be most valuable in this product owner position, and why? How do you envision your previous experiences contributing to your success as a product owner?
Okay, so we see here that the interview is complete and it says that I'm on track. 68% isn't the best. We definitely need some improvement. Filler words is at 11%, not great. It tells me per question what I need to work on, and which areas are going well, and that's already quite helpful. Performance breakdowns, beautiful. There's also a little bit of strengths and areas of improvement. This is both encouraging and also highlighting some very specific tangible areas that I need to work on. Does it for the interview practice feature. We've shown you the generate CV. There is also a job search over here. You can actually add a job, so take a screenshot and upload it from a few other platforms. There's quite a few here in South Africa, Careers24 and PNet and LinkedIn and all the rest. If you want to, you can go there. There is also, of course, a career score, which is fantastic. It tells you how ready you are. 59 out of 100, developing candidate, definitely need some more work. It tells me how complete my profile is, how my CV is doing, interview readiness and market alignment. Definitely some personalized recommendations would be appreciated, and here we go. And then I can do each one of these things to get some more confidence and collect some points for it. So that does it for JobSpock. I think going forward, we're going to be adding a lot more in here. We want to add something called Talent Spark, which is going to be for recruiters, and matching up the video feature to be submitted directly to them. There's also something for entrepreneurs, Entrepreneur Spark, that we've been thinking about, something to help you actually build your business, but that's in the distant future. We want to say thank you to the guys at Bolt and the rest of the partners for giving us this opportunity to create something like this.